So it says here Leo is looking at two different savings plans. The first plan has an initial deposit of 5,000, or not 5,000, 500, and grows at an annual interest rate of 0.25. So let's write that out. Well, that would be y equals the initial condition, which is 500, times 1 plus the growth rate. It's a growth rate because it grows, so that's why we use a plus sign here. 2.5% as a decimal is 0.025. So 0.025 raised to the x. So that would be y equals 500 times 1.025 raised to the x. Oh, that's the first one. So now let's do the second one. That was our principal, Mrs. Ripley, saying good morning. Oops, I got distracted though. This is 500, not 5. So the next thing to do is it says that there is a deposit of 400 with a growth rate of 2%. So the same thing, y equals the initial condition, which is 400. Growth rate is 1 plus 0.02 raised to the x, or y is equal to 400. Wait a second. I did that so quick, I just realized this says continuously. Well, continuously is done a little different. So the other one tells us that it grows at an annual interest rate, where x represents the number of years that it grows. But when it's continuously growing, we use a different model. So for continuous growth, it's the initial condition, which is 400 times Euler's number E raised to the rate 0.02 x times x. So that's this one. I thought something goofy was going on. And that is it. That's the right answer.